Dessert in Ghana may look expensive, but it costs very little to make. In a container, we start by adding 400 grams of cream, then 200 grams of condensed milk. A small packet of passion fruit juice follows afterwards, and we mix everything together really well. Now we've reached the ideal point. Let's start assembling on a platter. Spread a small amount at the bottom. Now on top, I'm going to use these cookies with passion fruit filling. I used 2 packets, but you can choose whichever ones you prefer. But these ones are really pretty. We can just repeat this process, adding the rest of the filling, then a few more biscuits. On top, I'm going to use some biscuits for decoration. And that's it. Put it in the fridge and leave it until it solidifies. After that, just cut a slice and relish. Take a look at how incredible this dessert turns out. Try it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This is another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hug. Until next time, and thanks.